Hello boys, welcome to next online classes. Today I shall start chapter 3 square and square root. Observe the following pattern. See here 1 into 1 is 1 to the power 2 is 1, 2 into 2 is 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4. Similarly, 3 into 3 is equal to 3 to the power 2 is equal to 9. See pattern was here. Here a number multiply itself that can represent that number to the power 2 is equal to 9. So you can say that 9 is the square of 3. So in general we can say that if m and m are two numbers such that m is equal to n into n is equal to n square, then m is called square number. m is called square number. It means when a number multiply itself, then product is called square of that number. Now there are some property of square. First, some property of square number. First property, square of odd number is odd, square of even number is even. Square of odd is odd number and square of even number is even. Is even number. For example, 3 is odd number, square of 3, 3 into 3, 3 to the power 3 is 9. 3 is odd, then square of 3 is also odd. Even number 4 into 4 is equal to 4 square is equal to 16. 4 is even, their square is also even. Now, next property, all the square numbers ending number is 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. Second property, all square number unit plus digit one of the following, either 0, R1, R4, 5, 6 or 9. This is the unit place digit of the square number. If number ending number of any number, if ending number of any number is 2, 3 or 2, 3, 7 or 8, that number are never perfect square. Next property, the fourth, if you know the unit place digit of the given number, then we can determine the unit place digit of the square number. We can determine the unit plus digit of square number if we know unit plus digit of given number. If number given number is number and square number, if given number is ending number is 0, then unit place digit of the square number is also 0. If unit place digit of given number is 0 or 9, then unit place digit of the square number is 1. Unit place digit of given number is 2 or 8, then unit place digit of the square number is 4. If ending number of given number is 3 or 7, the square number unit place digit is 9. If unit place digit is 4 or 6, unit place digit of the square number is 6. If there is unit place digit is 5, then unit place digit of the square number is 5. This way you can determine the unit place digit of the square number if you know the unit place digit of the given number. Other property, the square number is always positive. The square number are always positive, that never becomes a negative. But if there is 2 minus 2 into 2 is 4 and 2 into 2 is also 4, so we can say that the square numbers are always positive. Fifth property. Twice of the square number is are in square number multiplied by non-square number, that is the not product is not perfect square. For example, 2 into 100. 100 is the perfect square, but twice of 100, 200, this is the not square number. 7. Square numbers follow the exponent law. Square number follow the exponent law. Exponent property or law. First, 8 square into b square is equal to ab to the power 2. Or a square divided by b square is equal to a divided by b to the power 2. This is the some property of the square number. Now I am going to tell some pattern related to the square number. Some pattern related to the square number. Pattern related to square number. First pattern, sum of triangular number is always square number. Sum of triangular number is always square number. Then what is the triangular number? The number which dot pattern form a triangle, that is called triangular number. Triangular number are addition of triangular numbers, addition of triangular number form a square number. So triangular number are that number whose dot pattern form a triangle. Example 1. 1 is the this type triangle. 3 You can take 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot. This is the triangle shape, and then 6, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 dot. This also form a triangle. This also form a triangle. This 1 dot also form a triangle. Now take 10, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is number 10. Similarly, 15, these 21, these are the triangular numbers. If add this 1, 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, that is the square of 2, this is the square number. If there is one dot pattern here, this is the triangle, and add 1 here, this is the 4, this is the triangle, get the square number. So sum of the triangular number gives the square number. Second property related to the pattern, that is the non-square number between two consecutive square of the number. If there are two consecutive numbers square given, then how many numbers lie between them? First, second property. Numbers between two consecutive square numbers. For example, there is given 1 square of 1 and 2 square of 2. Then there is 1, 2, 3, and then 4 coming. There are like two numbers between the two consecutive square numbers. Here is 1 into 2 into 1. Now take 2 square of 2 and square of 3, that is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 is the square of 2, 3 is the 9 is the square of 3, and then number lie between this is 2 into 2 is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, 3 square and number lie between 3 square and 4 square, that is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and then 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 2 into 3. Similarly, if you take in general n number, square of the numbers lie between this n square and n plus 1 whole square. That number are n square plus 1, n square plus 2, that's n square plus 2n, and then coming n square n plus 1 whole square. So these numbers, how many these numbers? That number are 2 into n. 2 into n is equal to 2n. So you can say that the non-perfect number lie between two consecutive square number is 2n. It means if there are n square given and 1 plus n square given, how many non-perfect square number lie between that number equal to 2 into n. And next property, every square number expressed as the sum of odd number. Here sum of consecutive odd natural number. Third, sum of consecutive odd numbers, odd natural numbers, one natural number, some coming one, that is 1 square, and there is given two odd number, 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, that is 2 whole square. Two odd number sum is equal to 2 whole square, that is 4. If you take three odd numbers, 1, 3 plus 5 is equal to 1, 2, 3. 3 whole square is equal to 9. Similarly, if you take 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7, that is coming 1, 2, 3, 4. The square of 4 is equal to 16. If you take judgment, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus n odd number, that sum is n square. So, if sum of one odd number, 1 square, sum of two odd number, 2 square, that is 4, sum of three odd number is equal to 3 whole square, sum of four odd number equal to 4 to the power 2, that is 16. Similarly, if you take n odd number, sum of n odd number equal to n square. Other property, the sum of the other property that the square of odd number expressed as the sum of two consecutive natural numbers. Fourth, the square of odd number can express as the sum of two consecutive natural number. For example, there is 3 whole square is equal to 9, 9 is equal to 4 plus 5. 5 whole square is 20, 25 is equal to 12 plus 13. Similarly, if there is given odd number, every odd number, the square is expressed as the sum of two consecutive natural numbers. And next property, product of two consecutive, property 5, product of two consecutive odd or even number product of two consecutive odd or even number equal to 1 less the square of the number lie between them. See here, 3 into 5, number lie between 3 and 5 is 4, that is 4 square minus 1. 5 and 7 coming 35 right here. 15 is equal to 4 whole square minus 1, that is 35. 35 is equal to number lie between 5 and 7 is 6. 6 square minus 1. It means the number lie between two consecutive even or odd number is equal to square of the number lie between them 1 less the square of the number lie between them. If you take n minus 1 into n plus 1 is equal to n square minus 1. It means you can say that, or you can other way say, if you multiply two odd numbers, then their product is equal to 1 less the square of the number lie between them. If you take even number 2 into 4 is equal to 8 is equal to number lie between 2 and 4 is 2, 3, 4. Number lie between them is 3. Then 3 square minus 1. 1 less than is number square of the number lie between them. This is the journal form. And now there are some other properties in interesting pattern given here. Some interesting pattern interesting pattern some interesting pattern. See here, boys. 1 square is 1. 1 into 1 square is 1, 2, 1. If there are 3 n square given, that is 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 n square given, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. This way you can find the square of the number which is formed by only 1 1. And now there are given the square of the number formed by 6 and 7. First interesting pattern, second interesting pattern. 7 whole square is 4, 9. 6, 7 whole square is 9. And then you write 1 8, 1 6, then 1 8, and twice of 4 right after this 8, then 1 8, then 2 4 right. This is also an interesting pattern. 2 6 7 whole square given, then first write 9 and 1 2 8 right after before 9 2 8 right, and then 3 4 1 2 3. If there are given 6 6 6 7 whole square, then first write 9 and then 1 2 3 3 8 right, 1 2 3, and one more 4 right, 1 2 3 4. This is the square of this type of the number. And now guys, see exercise 3.1. Now exercise 3.1, you can able to see which is this depend on these property and these pattern. First exercise 3.1, fill in the blanks. First given the square of the numbers 1 4 9 16, that's called the perfect square number. Perfect square number or square number. B, the square of odd number is always odd. Always odd. Still odd. C, n is the perfect square number, then 2n cannot be perfect. If n is perfect square number, then 2 into n not a square number. D, The sum of the n odd number is equal to n square. The numbers of the zeros at the end of the perfect square number is never be odd, always coming odd number. But it is not necessary. The numbers with ending numbers, zeros coming ending numbers, that is a perfect square. See here, 600. It's ending two numbers, two zeros given, that is given, but 600 is not perfect square. So here is odd number coming after the any number, that is never perfect square. And now see what f 40 whole square into 3 whole square. I tell square hold the exponent law a square into b square equal to ab whole square. That means 40 into 3 whole square is equal to 120 whole square. After b given 80 square divided by 10 square is equal to 80 divided by 10 whole square is equal to 8 whole square. 0 0 cancel, 8 remains. Yet 35 whole square divided by each number you have to fill in this gap is equal to 5 whole square coming. That is 35 divided by 7. 7 you have to fill, 7 whole square is equal to 5 whole square. Now by the next question. Next question see here. Given I given, here you have to fill into 5 whole square is equal to 160 whole square. Divide 160 by 5. What you get? 3, 5, 10, 2. Then you fill here 32 whole square into 5 whole square is equal to 160 whole square. Next question. Second question. Write true and false. First, the square of a natural number cannot ending with, yes, it is correct. If ending numbers of the square, never ending number of the square is 2, 3, 7 and 8. Yes, it is the truth. The square of the number n is denoted by, square of the number n is denoted by n square, but here given n to the power 4, that is the false. B, square of number can be negative. No, that is false. Square of number never negative. The square of the natural number ending with 3, 7 always end with 4. No, they end with, question number D. If there is ending number 7 and 3 and 7, ending number of the square is 9, but here is given 4, that is false. The sum of two consecutive triangular number is perfect square. Yes, it is the truth. The question E is also true. This is true and false. Now see question number 3. Question number 3. What will be the unit plus digit of the square of the following number? First, unit plus digit given here 2. Then square of 52 unit plus digit. Unit plus digit is equal to 4. You know already, if 0 then 0, 1 and 9 then 1, 2 and 8 then 4, 3 and 7 then 9, and 5 then 5, and 3, 4 and 8, then that is 6. No. 4, 2 and 8, ending number of the square is 4. 4 and 6, ending number is 6. This way you can guess what is the ending number of the square if the unit plus digit of the given number is given. Suppose be 9, 5, 7, ending number is 7, then unit plus digit of the square number is 9. Given 272, unit plus digit given 2, then unit plus digit of the square number is 4. Then in this way you can get the unit plus digit of the square number when you know unit plus digit of the given number. Now question number 4. The square of which of the following number would be an odd? You know that the square of odd number is odd, the square of even number is even. So what is the odd number here? 731 is the odd number. So its square is also odd number. Its square is also odd. Second 6, and ending number is 6, so that is the not odd number. Third is also 6, that is not odd number, and last is also 8, that is not odd number, but number given 5, 5, 9, that is odd number, then its square is also odd number. Fifth, observe the following pattern. This is the pattern. Product of two consecutive numbers is equal to square of number lies between one less the square of number lies between them. So pattern given 1 into 11 into 13 is equal to 12 whole square minus 1. See here, 12 lies between 11 and 13. So product of 11 and 13 is always equal to number square of the number 1 less the square of the number lies between them. So pattern given, question given, fifth is 16 whole square minus 15 whole square. That is equal to, no, this is not question. Question number 6. It's not question number 6. See question number 6. Here given no question number 5 2. The following number are not perfect square with the reason. 1547 not perfect square number because ending number is 7. The number whose ending number 2, 3, 7, 8, that number never perfect square. So next number 8, 9, 4, 8. This is also not perfect square because ending number is 8. 1057 ending number is 7. So this is also not perfect square. 3, 3, 3, 6 times. This ending number is 3, so it is not perfect square. 6, 0, 6, 0, 6, 0. Here, ending number is odd numbers of the 0. 7 number of 0, they may be perfect square, but it is the odd number of the 0, so that is also not perfect square number. Now question number 6 provides, observe the pattern. You know the product of two consecutive odd number or even number equal to 1 less the square of the number lying between them. That is 12 square minus 1. Similarly, question given here, find the value of 28 into 30 is equal to number lie between 28, 29, 30. So number lie between 28 and 30 is 29. So product of these two even numbers, product of two consecutive even number equal to 29 whole square minus 1. And then you can solve by the pattern, that is coming 29 into 29, 81, 8, 18, 18 and 8, 26, and here is 8, 4 and 5, 1, 14, 4, and here is 5, 7 and 8. That is coming 841 minus 1 is equal to 840. If you want to check, then check it product also. Product 2, 8 into 30, 0, 4, 24, 2, 5, 6 and 2, 8. This product also coming 840. So you can do this question like this. Here given the 29 into 31. Number lie between 29 and 31 is 30 whole square minus 1 is equal to 900 minus 1 is equal to 899. Product is 899. Similarly, remaining question you can able to do. Now, seventh question. Question number 7. Question number 7. 2 square minus 1 whole square is equal to 2 plus 1. 3 whole square minus 2 whole square is equal to 3 plus 2. In general, you know that n whole square n plus 1 whole square minus n whole square is equal to 2n plus 1. So, what pattern given, that pattern you see here. First question given is 16 whole square minus 15 whole square. You know that 16 plus 15, a square plus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b. And 16 minus 15, that is 16 plus 15, this is 1, then 31. Similarly, remaining question also you can able to do. See one more question from here. Given 28, be given 28 square minus 27 whole square is equal to 28 plus 27. That is 8, 15, 5 and 4 and 1, 5. This is 15, 5, 2 and 2, 4 and 1, 5. Similarly, see 50 whole square minus 49 whole square is 50 plus 49 is equal to 99. Similarly, other question we can able to do. 8. Observe the following pattern. What is the pattern? 1 square plus 2 square plus multiply this 2. 1 into 2 is 2 whole square is equal to 3 whole square. 1 more than this number. Then 2 whole square plus 3 whole square, and here is product of 2 and 3, 6 whole square, and then add 1, successor of 6 is 7 whole square. Like this pattern given and asking, solve the, find the missing number of this given A given 4 whole square plus here given fill in the blank, here given plus 20 whole square is equal to 21 whole square. You have to fill here what number will come. 20 divided by 4, then 5. 5 whole square is coming. This 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. Then you can write 5 whole square. You can write 5 whole square. Now as B given 5 given, here you have to fill. Here given 6 whole square, and here given, here also you have to fill, and here given 31 whole square. One less number right here. Predecessor of 31 is 30 whole square. Divide 30 by 6, then 5 coming, you write here 5 whole square. It means, see the pattern, here 2 and 6 given, 2 whole square, 6 whole square. At 2 whole square plus 3 whole square, here 6 whole square given. Then multiply 2 and 3, 6 coming, 6 whole square, and write the successor of 6, 7 whole square. Similarly here, here given 31 whole square, here given 6, then here should be 1 less. Predecessor of 31 is 30 whole square. 30 divided by this number 6 coming 5, here you write 5 whole square. See 6 whole square plus here no number given, you have to fill here, plus here also no number given, and 43 whole square. 43 whole square, predecessor of 43 minus 1, 42, here write 42 whole square, and 6 divided by 42 coming 7, and here still 7 whole square. This number 42 divided by 6 is equal to 7, here 7 whole square. Now 9th question, 1 from 9. Now guys, we find the sum of following using the pattern of square line. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. You know guys, sum of one odd number is square of 1. Sum of two odd number is square of 2. Sum of three odd number is square of 3. You know already 1 coming 1 square, 1 plus 3 coming 4, that is 2 whole square. 2 odd number given. Similarly here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 whole square is coming 5 whole square is 25. B 9 say, and B given 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 20, 19. How many number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That sum is 10 whole square, and that is 100. And C is given 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19 plus 21 plus 23 plus 25 plus 27 plus 29 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15 whole square is equal to 225 coming. Hence, express 81 as the sum of 9 odd numbers. 81 is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that is the 8 and 9. Sum is coming 9 whole square is equal to 9 whole square is equal to 81. Similarly, we can write B also. 144 is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19 plus 21 plus 23. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, 9, 10, 12, 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that is coming 12 whole square are 144 and 11. Okay. Express the following numbers as the sum of two consecutive natural numbers. 81 whole square, that is how can find 81 and 19 into 19 multiply, that is coming 1, 9 and 8, 17 and 9, 1 is 9, 1, 1 is 1, 1, 6, here is 2, divide, that is coming 361, divide it 1 time, 2, 1, 8 times, 16 and 0.5. Then this number can be expressed 181 80 plus 181. Find the sum, you will get 361. Similarly, this B 23 whole square is equal to, what is coming? 23 into 23. So this is a 9 and this is a 6 and 6 and this is a 4. That is a 9 to 5. 529 divide by 2. Then 2 to the 4. 2 coming 4 here, 1, 6 and 12 and then 4.5. It means 264 plus 261. That is coming 264 plus 265. One more. Similarly, if given 17 whole square is equal to 289, multiply and say 9, 7 and 4, 11, 1, 7, 9, 8, 8. Divide by 2, that is coming 1, 4, 4.5. Then this can express 144 plus 145. So this way we can express the square of odd number as the sum of two consecutive natural numbers. And now I am going to explain finding the square of the number. To finding the square of the number, here you have to find, but how many methods? What is the method to find square of the number. To find the square of the number, finding the square of a number. The square of the number. We can find the square of the number by multiply that number itself. But if number is some bigger number, then how can find the square of the number? One digit number square you can find. Suppose you want to find the square of 7, then 7 into 7 is 14. But if you want to find the square of 99, then you cannot easily get. So there is use the some property first using the identity. You can find the square of some bigger number using the identity. So first a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Break this number into sum or difference of two number and then find the square of the number. Other is a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. For example, if you want to find 99 whole square, that can become 100 minus 1 whole square is equal to square of first term minus 2 into first into second plus square of second term 1 10,000 200 plus 1 add this 10,000 plus 1 10,001 minus 200 1089. This is the square of 99 9801. Other pattern given second pattern. By observing the pattern, by pattern. Second is by pattern. Second, by pattern. Suppose you want to find the square of this number, ending number is 5, their square if you want to find, then first you make the square of 5 is 25. This is the last two digit number of the square of 45, and now you find number before the 5, preceding number you find, preceding number of 5 is equal to 4. Now successor of 4 is equal to 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Then two last digits. 45 whole square is equal to 4 into 5 is equal to 20. Then here is 4 into 5 is equal to 20. 45 whole square is equal to last two digits are 25, and after 25 product of these two number is 20. The square of 45 is 2045. Okay boys, now in next video I will explain the next method, and I tell you how to find the square of the number.